So guys, today's class I will explain how to create your AWS account and how to create a OS on top of it, on top of AWS. Okay, so that is my agenda today, and I need a volunteer, guys. Anybody joined from laptop?
Yeah, I have joined.
Yes, Anil. Can you please share your screen? I will
Yeah,
provide
sure.
the presenter role to you. Please go ahead and share your screen.
Okay. Hope you're able to see my screen.
Yes, I can. Okay, good. Yeah. So can you please open a browser? Open your browser, new browser. Yeah. So guys, what is AWS? Already we discussed in yesterday's class. AWS is one of the cloud provider. He is providing the data centers to our organizations. Okay, so as I told previous days, everybody should have their own data center, every organization. Okay, to maintain the servers. As I told yesterday, we discussed what is server, guys. Server is nothing but operating system with your application, supported application. So compulsory your own hardware will be there, should be there. So you're like where to maintain the hardware, again data center required. So previously compulsory we should go with that, but now no need to establish our own data center, because guys data center means it's very costly, time taking process. Okay, so again you need different teams to manage this data center. So that is where now again we are going with one of the cloud provider. There are so many cloud providers like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Oracle, IBM. So major contribution is AWS only, guys. Amazon Web Services. Okay, major contribution. So like how to use those data centers? As I told, they are providing one. We just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm back. So as I told, AWS has major share, guys, because of its easiness, because of again a number of more services. Okay, so very easy to learn, guys, when compared to other clouds. Okay, AWS is very easy. Even guys, if you would like to, if anybody would like to learn other clouds, first go with AWS, guys. That is my again suggestion. Okay, so because AWS is very easy to set up, very easy to understand, and then after go with other cloud, so that you can easily understand the logics. Okay, in terms of terminology, in terms of setup, AWS very easy. So that's what I'm going to show you now. Go ahead. AWS console. AWS management console. So now I'm going to show you how to create that account. Any chance you already have an account?
Yeah, I do
Anil?
have one. Yeah.
Okay, but I want to show that. Okay, open that. So anybody doesn't have AWS account, guys, and who logged in from laptop?
Yes, Amar. Do not have account and will log from
You good name Nazruddin, right?
Afrodin. Yeah.
Yeah. So I will provide a. I'm sorry, Anil.
Yeah,
Okay, so
no
because
problem.
others should know, right, how to create. So go
Sure.
ahead. Go ahead, Nazruddin.
I stop
Yeah.
sharing my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, I given a presenter role to you. Please go ahead.
Just let me know when you are able to see my.
Yes, I can see your screen. And open your console. Yeah, open your web browser and just type AWS Management Console. AWS Management Console. Type that. So others, can you please mute yourself,
Hello?
guys?
Hello? Are you able to see
Others?
my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay.
Yeah,
Let me
so
open
go ahead. AWS
AWS.
Management Console. AWS Management Console.
Yeah. Then click this.
Yeah, click on. Click on that first page.
Create free account. Right?
Yeah, create free account. And everybody, can you please mute yourself, guys? So, guys, we are in a meeting, so please, it's your responsibility to manage your surroundings. Yeah. So everybody, you have to create your AWS account, guys. Okay. So without fail, to proceed with our class, compulsory you should. Yeah. Account
Yeah, do
name,
I need to
anything.
provide anything?
Anything, your wish. Your name, give your name. Continue.
Here business.
Yeah. Personal. Go with, in real time we'll go with business, guys, but here
Okay.
make it personal only. Personal.
This region should be India only, right?
Your wish. Maybe wherever you are from, you can give that. Personal information can be anything. Your personal, from where you are.
Okay, okay.
Continue. And wait for some time. Wait. Don't give any information because it's a recorded session. So guys, here actually what we are going with is a free account only. But AWS account has so many services. Everything is not free of cost. Only some of the services, maybe storage service, network service. There are so many services like this. Okay, only some of the services are free of cost as part of this free account. Remaining again paid only. So guys, until unless you are familiar with AWS account, don't use your services. Only known services only you have to like work on. Whatever the services I'm going to tell you. Remaining you should not touch until you are familiar, because it's your card will be charged with dollars. Okay, so remember this. Of course, it's not auto debit for Indians. Okay, but out of guys, it's auto debit. But be careful. Now, Nasruddin, you can unshare your screen quickly. Don't share the screen. Please unshare. Click on unshare button. Maybe again the screen button itself. Okay, now your screen is not visible. So provide your credit or debit card information.
Oh.
Okay, so don't share in the same page. Once you are done with make payment page, then only share your screen. Be careful, Nasruddin. It is a recording session.
Yeah.
Okay, so be careful. Don't share your information. Once you completed that payment page, then only share your screen.
Okay.
Amar, as you said, it is a free of cost. Why to provide the banking details?
Yeah. So as I told, all the services are not free of cost. Only some of the services. So for maybe best practice, they are because if you use that paid service again, right? That is the reason they're asking for credit or debit card information. Compulsory, you have to provide initially.
Yeah, Amar, it's asking like a billing address, new address, or my contact address. Should I select contact address only?
Anything, your wish.
PAN, it's asking PAN. I am providing now, right?
Yeah, PAN also, provide PAN also.
So those are secure. Those will be secured only, right?
Yes, AWS is very much secure. Even organizations also providing that, right? They are using mostly, guys, like even nowadays, banking, financial, so they are also believing this cloud. Very, very secure. Don't worry about AWS. Okay, so whatever, but make sure that you are in a correct website. Definitely it's secure only. Don't worry about that. And guys, one more thing, like maybe every class, after every class, until your enrollment completed, so until next 3-4 days, you will get the recordings in YouTube, guys. Maybe if you see after the class, you will get one follow-up mail. There you can see that like again YouTube link, guys. So these recording sessions will be available there only until first 3-4 days. Okay, until you like you complete the enrollment. Thereafter, we have one Google Drive. There you will get the videos, guys. That is how the procedure is. Okay, so every day you'll get recordings in YouTube until your enrollment completed, maybe first 3-4 days. So I hope you received a follow-up email from Durga Soft, right?
Yes, Amar, we received.
Yes.
Yeah,
There
Amar,
you can see one.
Step 4, Amar.
I didn't get you. Come again?
Yeah, I came to step 4. It's asking mobile number and
Yes. Now you can
okay.
share your screen. Okay, good. Provide your mobile number. So everybody, guys, before tomorrow class, you have to create this account, guys. Okay, so because every day we'll practice on this like cloud only, AWS only.
Continue.
I didn't get you. Come again. Someone said something.
Should I click continue?
Yes, continue. Yes. Yeah, simple, Chetan. Open your browser. Okay, so there type AWS management console. Okay, so once you click on that AWS you will get a search result. You can see AWS management page. So once you click on there, you will get option to create your free account. Click on that. Then you will first page, it will you will be prompted for your email address, password, then account name. Account name can be your name. Okay, continue. Then second page, you will get two options: business purpose or personal. So personal purpose. Okay, you can select personal because it's for personal account. Then it will ask you like again your personal details like mobile number, location, address, PAN cards. Then continue. Third step, it will ask you your credit card or debit card details. Okay, so compulsory you have to provide. Without that you cannot create your account. Now fourth step, mobile verification. Okay, once you provided mobile verification completed, this is the fifth step, guys. Okay, here again as of now, go with basic support only.
Support. Yeah, I'm clicking on complete button.
Exactly, complete sign up. Okay, good. Now go to AWS management console. Yeah, so sign into console. Click on sign into console. So account creation is not a big deal, guys. Very easy only. It's not that much difficult. So anybody joined newly today, guys? Can you please respond? Anybody joined newly today?
Yes, sir.
Your good name?
Yeah, Pawan.
Okay, Pawan. So apart from Pawan, anybody? So can you open Notepad, Nasruddin, quickly? Yeah, write down my number 720-456-9870. So ping me on this number, guys, whoever joined newly. Okay, ping me on this WhatsApp number. I'll add into my group. So guys, every day you will get recording until your enrollment completed. Okay, so you will get in YouTube, guys. So maybe first 3-4 days. So after that, before that you should enroll, so that you will get Google Drive access. There remaining videos.
Today's session also will be recorded or what?
Yes, every session will be recorded, compulsory. Okay, so today's session also it's getting recorded. You will get after maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. Within 2 hours, it will be uploaded to your YouTube. Okay. Yeah. So guys, whoever joined newly today, or maybe whoever did not ping me yesterday, so please ping me on this number for any updates. So fee related and all, you have to call to Durga Soft, guys. Okay. So Durga Soft numbers, I hope you will receive a mail also with Durga Soft details. You have to call them, and or else they will call you. You have to pick, guys. Everybody, you have to respond to them and enroll. Okay. Yeah, to continue in class. Now go ahead. Login. Default only, don't change anything.
Yeah,
provide your email
provide
address. Yes, your email address, whatever the email you given, right? That email address you have to provide. Next. Yeah. So guys, this is our account. This is our AWS account. Okay. So next thing is here top right hand corner you have Nasruddin DevOps, right? Just click on my billing dashboard. So guys, you can check your billing here, guys. Okay, so as it is a brand new, it is showing 0 rupees as of now. But if you use any what I can say, paid service, or if you cross your free service also not completely free, guys. Only monthly 750 hours only. Some of the services only. Some of the services only they are providing 750 hours. Okay. So after that, if you cross that within a month, you will be charged again. So be careful, guys. It's in dollar. Don't think 750 hours are huge hours, because again that calculation is different. Okay, so internally some services will be used. So if you use one service, it may connect with multiple services. So every service will be calculated. Be careful. Okay. Anyway, you will come to know that later. What are the services free? What are the services paid version? But until you know that, make sure that don't use much this account. Only follow me. Okay. Now click on services. Top left hand side you can see services button. So guys, this many services they are providing. Each service is for different purpose, guys. Storage services will be there, network services will be there. Again, we can launch our servers. That for that purpose, one service is there. So example, guys, like if you see Google Drive, that is one service of Google, right? Same concept. Like in the same way, AWS also providing so many services. Okay, so this many around 200 plus services are there, guys. We don't use this much. It's based on your project. Okay, you may use 20 or 15 services in a project based on your project. Okay, that's as of now. So as I told, what is the main purpose of our class? Creating our servers. Because in laptop already we have our Windows, right? So no need to install Linux operating system in your laptop. Okay, we are going to create Linux box here. So for the very first service, if you see very first service, scroll up, not down.
Scroll up.
Yeah. So click on EC2, the very first service, EC2. Yes. So guys, now I'm going to show you how to create Linux operating system in AWS data center. So as I told guys, AWS is one of the cloud provider. So he has already set up so many data centers across the world, India, UK, Canada, Singapore. Now assume that I'm a new organization. Okay, so I no need to have my own data center. Simply I can register with them. Now I registered. I created my own account. Now I can go ahead and launch my number of servers, as many as. How many you launch, that meant that much you have to pay. Okay, this is a free account, not a paid account. So in free account, no support from AWS, guys. I mean, if some issues you got, so no support. But in real time, we'll go with paid. So that time you'll get support also if you have any issues and all. Okay, so go ahead. Running instance. Here instances button is there, right? Click on it. Yeah. Actually recently they changed this page view. Okay, I can let's switch to old view because new view it is little confused. So left hand side you can see new EC2 experience. That radio button is the left hand top corner left hand side. Just disable it. It will ask some feedback, but no need to give. Just cancel it directly. No problem. If you want to give any description, maybe feedback, you can give. Otherwise, just cancel it. Same page only, guys. I can see in different ways. This is the old view, guys. Okay. So old view is better. It's very easy to understand. Yeah. So guys, as of now, no servers because this is a brand new account. So what is server? As I told, so every project has minimum 3 set of servers: development servers, testing servers, production servers. See, we discussed yesterday about this, right? So here, so in your account, now you will start launching your servers. Server means operating system. Now I need a hardware. So I don't need any hardware now. Why? Because I'm going with AWS. AWS already has data centers, guys. See top right hand corner, you can see Ohio. Yeah, so this many data centers are available, guys. Click on it. Across the world, this many locations they have the data centers. These are called as regions, guys. This many regions, geographical locations. Region is nothing but US 4 locations there. In India, only 1 location, guys. Mumbai is the in Mumbai they have the data center in India. See, you can see that. Hong Kong, Mumbai, Seoul, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo, Central, different places they have the data centers. So which data center I have to select, guys? It depends on your project. Maybe your example, my project is IRCTC, Indian project. So I should select Indian servers only, guys. So then your customer will get more performance. So example, your customer is US client, not Indian. You are working from India, but still you have to set up in US only because your customers are US, from US, right? It's a US maybe project. Then you have to select US location only. Now, but as of now, Nasruddin, where are you from?
I am from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh.
India. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can select India. Only in India, guys, Mumbai only. Always nearby you have to choose. Now you're in Mumbai data center, guys, logically. Okay. Now you're in Mumbai data center. You can launch your servers now. Yeah,
Launch
go ahead.
instance.
Launch instance. Obviously, to install operating system, I need image, right? Then in terms of window, maybe laptop. So you will get one DVD and insert into your laptop. So, but here already they are providing the image name. See, come down. So many images you can find out in the first step. Red Hat, Linux, Windows, whatever you need. But as part of our class, what we are going with? We are going with Linux only. So select the very first one. Amazon Linux. What is Amazon Linux? We'll discuss in tomorrow class. Select it. Okay. One more thing, guys. Be careful. Okay. So here, obviously, I need a maybe storage, RAM, CPU for your server. How much you need for your server? Now, as of now, guys, I'm using it only for practice purpose. So, and that too, I need a free service. Here, see the line which already selected, default selection. That is only free of cost. You will get 1 GB RAM and 1 CPU, guys, in this type. T2.micro. Always go with that only, guys. Don't go with any other service, please. If you select other type, immediately the charges will be started. It's hourly charge, guys. If you select other type, immediately you will be started charged. So okay, so it's postpaid bill, guys. Monthly you have to pay bill, month end. So be careful. Go with until unless I ask, please go with T2 micro only. Okay, so go ahead and review and launch. There are so many other steps involved, guys, here, but I don't want to show right away because it's not AWS class right away. So in AWS class, we'll discuss other steps also. So directly, I just gone to last step now. Okay, only I'm showing how to launch because I don't want to again divert the topics. In between, there are so many other steps like storage step is there, security steps are there. So I skipped all of them as of now. Just like, so I will take default. Now launch option. One more question, guys. By default, maybe how you will log into your laptop? Maybe any operating system. What do you need to log into our operating systems?
User ID and password.
Exactly right. But in terms of AWS, okay, we don't use the password. Here they're not providing the password, guys. Can you open your notepad? Yeah. So AWS not providing password for our servers, for our Linux servers. Passwords for our Linux boxes. Box means operating system. So whatever the servers you are launching, right? It won't provide the password. Instead of it, it is providing .pem key. Kind of dot symbol. It's extension, guys, for that file. Basically, zip file will be there, right? That kind of stuff. .pem means create new key pair. Yeah, .pem. Okay, so maybe within the bracket. It's a combination of two keys. It's combination of two keys, public and private. Actually, I need a private key, guys. Public means username. Private means password, guys. It is a combination of two keys, public and private. So I need a private actually, but they are not providing directly. The bundle they are providing. That PEM key they are providing. So I have to extract it later. As of now, for the first time, okay, you have to download that PEM key and you have to generate that PPK key, private key. So with that private key, you can log in. Username already there, guys. Username they will provide, but password they are not providing directly. They are providing this one. PEM key. Go ahead and do this now. I will show you how to extract. Create a new key pair. Provide any name, your wish. Maybe your name, your project name, your application name. Download key pair. So as I told, see guys, it's a key pair. 2 keys will be there. Wait, no need to open. Launch instance. Just download it. That's it. Launch instance. Now go to services. See guys how easy it is. Within 2 minutes you can launch your server. You can install your server. In case of your laptop, generally how much time it will take? 1 hour minimum to install OS. But here, see, hardly 2 minutes. Services now. EC2 again. Running instance. See, now it is showing 1 server. You can launch as many as guys. Any number of servers you can launch like this based on your requirement. Maybe 10 development server, 10 testing servers, 10 production servers. Everywhere you will install your respected application. So real time guys, we don't install multiple applications in a single instance, single server. Every application will install separately. That is the reason that many servers we need based on project. So different technologies they will use. So obviously different servers they need. Again, for every server, they need development server, testing server, production server. Okay, yesterday we discussed all these things. Now, how to log in to this machine? As I told, for the first time, as we got a PEM key, not a private key. So PEM key is a combination of public and private key, right? I need a private key, but I don't have it. So how to get that private key? So open Putty. So here in your laptop, you have to download Putty application. Only one and only application will use in your laptop, guys. Remaining everything you will do in cloud only. What is Putty? I will explain. There are 2 advantages with this. First one. (64-bit).
This one only, right?
Yes, click on it and install it. Everybody, you have to install Putty application in your laptop, guys.
Should I run this?
Yes, install it. Okay, so before Putty, I will ask you what. So example, guys, I have 2 laptops. Maybe I'm in my home and you are in your home. You want to access my laptop, my Windows laptop. What you will do, guys? What are the tools we have?
Not having any desk.
Yeah, we can use TeamViewer, AnyDesk.
Exactly. AnyDesk is there, TeamViewer is there, RDP is there. Right? Same concept. Now, where is my Linux box?
Cloud.
Exactly. In AWS data, Mumbai data center. In that hardware, I install AWS, my Linux box. Now, where are you? I'm in my home, or you are in your home, not in data center, right? So that's where, guys, remote Linux boxes we can access via this SSH application, this Putty application. Okay, so Putty will do 2 things. One is to connect your remote Linux boxes because you are not in front of Linux box now. You are in your laptop. Your Linux is there in AWS data, maybe your own data center. Okay, so but before that I need a password also, right? Okay, have you installed it? Masuddin?
Yeah, I have installed that. Yeah. Yes, we installed.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Yeah, I'm sorry. So Nasruddin, have you installed the Putty application?
Yeah, I have installed. Should I open
Okay,
that?
great. Yeah, great. So now open Putty. putty gen. So guys, you will get multiple applications when you install putty. You will get putty gen, putty application. Now, what is my first task? As I told, do we have password? No, right? I got a PEM key. So I have to extract that private key, guys. So so it's kind of zip file, guys. That PEM key is a zip file, kind of. It has two files, public and private key. So I need a private key. So I'm generating only for one time, guys. Not every time. For the first time, you have to generate like that. Whenever you have a new key, okay, so launch it. Click on load button. This is one time task, guys. What I am doing now. Yeah. Where is your PEM key? Downloads. Yeah, basically here there is a filter. Bottom line, yeah. So you have to change that filter to see all the files. Yeah. Select it. Open. Okay.
Yeah.
Now save private key. Below private key, not public key. I don't need public, guys. Already I have username. Your wish anywhere, save with the same name. So that you will come to know that. No, save with the same name. Don't give any extension. Extension will be taken care, but give the same name. Nasruddin DevOps. Same name. But don't give the PEM key, .pem. Just to give name, that's it. Save it. Don't give the extension, guys. It will take care. Yeah, so you saved it. Now you so guys, you got your Linux box now. I mean your password also. Just a minute, guys. Hello. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. So guys, I'm ready to log in now. My server ready. My password also ready now. My username already anyway. I'll get the username by default. Now, how to connect? So I need a IP address of that server, guys. Every server has one IP address. You can see that in the same line. 65.0.132.147. Can you highlight that? Can you copy that? That one is your IP address. Now in your laptop, putty, open putty, P-U-T-T-Y, not putty gen, guys. Putty is different, putty gen is different. You can close that putty gen. When you install putty, both the things comes into picture, guys. Downloaded into your laptop. Yeah, paste your IP address. So guys, now I'm logging into my server. See, remotely, you're in your home. Linux box is there in AWS data center. Similar to TeamViewer, guys. Already in that Linux box, SSH application is there, guys. Okay, by default, any Linux box will get SSH application. You no need to install. Now in your laptop, you have SSH. Putty means SSH application. Okay. Now, yeah, left hand side SSH button is there. Click on it. Authentication. AUTH. Click on authenticate. Button itself. That button itself. Button itself. Yeah. Now browse your private key. Just now we extracted one private key, right? That private key you have to give. Yeah. Select it. Open. So guys, I'm logging into my server now remotely. Yes. Now default username is EC2-user. Yeah. Enter. That's it, guys. Your Linux box is ready. Remotely you log in. Only command prompt, guys. No graphical screen like Windows. Only command line only you have to manage. Everything, whatever you can do in Windows via graphical screen, the same things you can do here also with command line, guys. Okay, here for automation, Linux is the efficient server OS. That's the reason we are going with Linux, guys, not with Windows. Here, this is how you, I'll show one more time, guys, the same process, how to launch. So this time it won't take this much time. Go ahead, keep it like this. Just minimize the server. I'm going to launch one more server now, guys. You can launch as many as your wish. Okay, yeah, launch instance. Select again t2.micro, review and launch. Launch. This time your wish, guys. Do you want to go with the same key? So generally, like maybe you may have to launch servers for different teams in your office. So based on that, if it is a same team, I'll give the same key. If it is different team, I'll create a new key. Depends, guys. Okay, so as of now, go with the same key. Launches. You can use the same key for any number of servers, guys. It's completely your wish. Services. You can see 2 servers now in cloud. See, guys, now this time no key is required. I mean, key generation not required. Already you have the key. Copy the IP address. Every server has its own IP address, guys. No, second server. Copy the second server. You can see that when it is, yeah, it's initializing now. Means getting ready. Open putty one more time. You can log in multiple servers, guys. One more putty you can open. Go to search bar, putty. Same process. This time key, no, I need second server. This time I no need to generate a key, guys. Already I generated. No, you have to provide the key. Left hand side SSH. You have to provide the key, but no need to generate. Already I generated, right? Click on authentication. Yeah. Below authentication button. Browse that key. So we should remember that keys, guys. Which key you given for which server. That key you have to use. Yes. Example, I launched one more server. There I used a different key. That time you have to generate that PPK. One time task, guys. See, one more server I launched. This is how, guys, you can use AWS cloud to launch your servers. As many as 100, 1000, any number of servers you can launch, guys. It's completely your wish. Okay, based on your project. So any doubts, guys, here? Did you understand how to launch your server? What is putty? What is PEM key? What is PPK key? Did you understand the concept? Any doubts, guys? Hello?
No, sir.
Guys, so always try to be active, guys. So in that way only class will be again very interested. Otherwise, if you simply silent, what will happen? So nothing. I will also feel bored. I'm feeling alone in the class. It should not be like that. Always speak out, ask questions. If you have anything, don't hesitate. Yes, tell me.
ఇప్పుడు మనం అక్కడ రీజియన్ లో ఒకటి క్రియేట్ చేసాం సార్, ముంబై అని.
క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు, అది ఆల్రెడీ ఉంటాయి. ఏదో ఒకటి సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి.
డేటా రీజన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాం సార్. ఇప్పుడు మనకు అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ అయిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ డేటా రీజన్ మనం చేంజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఐ మీన్ యూఎస్ కానీ సింగపూర్ అట్లా కూడా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, అక్కడ కనపడవు.
వన్స్ మనం సెలెక్ట్ చేసి
డెఫినెట్లీ గో టు యుఎస్ నౌ.
ఓకే సార్.
గో టు యుఎస్.
అంటే మనం అకౌంట్స్
చెప్పండి.
ఓకే సార్.
Yes, tell me. What's your doubt?
పుట్టి పెమ్ ఫైల్ పీపీకే ఫైల్ అంటే కొంచెం క్లారిటీగా చెప్తాను.
Okay, simple. General గా నీకు ఎక్కడ లాగా, I'm sorry guys, I'm speaking in Telugu for some just 2 minutes. I'm repeating the same thing. He's asking what is PEM and what is PPK. Just I'm explaining
Yeah,
one more time in Telugu. I'm sorry for that. Okay, so simple. Actual గా మనకు పాస్వర్డ్ కావాలి కదా, యూజర్ నేమ్ ఏ సర్వర్ కి లాగిన్ అవ్వాలన్నా. బట్ వాళ్ళు పాస్వర్డ్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయట్లేదు. సో సమ్ సెక్యూరిటీ పర్పస్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారంటే ఒక జిప్ ఫైల్ ఇస్తున్నారు. ఓకేనా, దాన్ని పెమ్ కీ అంటున్నాం మనం ఇక్కడ. ఓకేనా, సో బేసిక్ గా పెమ్ కీలో ఏముంటాయంటే 2 కీస్ ఉంటాయి. అగైన్ ఒకటి పబ్లిక్ కీ ఉంటది, ఒకటి ప్రైవేట్ కీ ఉంటది. యాక్చువల్ గా పబ్లిక్ కీ మనకి యూజర్ నేమ్, ఆల్రెడీ యూజర్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చాడు వాడు, సో యూజర్ నేమ్ అవసరం లేదు మనకు, పబ్లిక్ కీ అవసరం లేదు. ఆ ప్రైవేట్ కీని మనం ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు జనరల్ గా జిప్ ఫైల్ ఇచ్చామనుకోండి, జిప్ ఫైల్ ని నువ్వు డైరెక్ట్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటావా? చేయలేము. అన్జిప్ చేసి దాంట్లో ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ వాడుకోవాలి, అవునా కదా? సేమ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా పెమ్ కీని ఇక్కడ నువ్వు విండోస్ లో వాడుకోలేవు, డైరెక్ట్ గా ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ప్రైవేట్ కీ కావాలి నాకు, దాన్ని పుట్టిజన్తో ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను నేను. చేసుకొని నా లైనెక్స్ సర్వర్ కి పీపీకే కీ, పీపీకే అంటే ప్రైవేట్ కీ అని అర్థం, దాంతో లాగిన్ అయ్యా. అది కాన్సెప్ట్. సెక్యూరిటీ పర్పస్ అలా ఇచ్చాడు వాడు, పాస్వర్డ్ ఇవ్వకుండా. అర్థమైందా?
ఓకే సార్, ఇంకొక స్మాల్ డౌట్ సార్. ఎస్టర్డే ఓకే సార్, ఎస్టర్డే నేను ఒక అకౌంట్ ఓపెన్ చేశాను సార్, AWS. హలో హలో,
వినిపిస్తుంది, చెప్పండి.
ఎస్టర్డే ఒక AWS అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను సార్. అది ఫస్ట్ వచ్చేసి బ్యాంక్ డీటెయిల్స్ అడిగినది, నేను ఇచ్చాను. ఆ తర్వాత అది నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ కు వెళ్ళలేదు. ఆఫ్టర్ పాస్వర్డ్ చేంజ్ చేసిందా ఆటోమేటిక్గా బ్యాంక్ డీటెయిల్స్ అడగకుండా ఓపెన్ అయిపోయింది. ఏంటి సార్ రీజన్? అది నాకు అర్థం కాదు.
పాస్వర్డ్ అడగకుండా లాగిన్ అయిపోయిందా?
ఫస్ట్ బ్యాంక్ డీటెయిల్స్ అడిగింది సార్, ఆ తర్వాత అథెంటికేషన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అని 2-3 డేస్ అనేసి వచ్చింది. ఆ తర్వాత వచ్చేసి అది ఆటోమేటిక్గా పాస్వర్డ్ మన కీ ఇస్తాం సార్, పాస్వర్డ్ కీ చేంజ్ చేశాను. చేంజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఆటోమేటిక్గా ఓపెన్ అయిపోయింది.
బట్ లాగిన్ అయినా సరే నీకు ఇంకా బ్యాంక్ డీటెయిల్స్ అప్డేట్ అవ్వలేదు. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు సర్వీస్ క్రియేట్ చేయలేవు, నువ్వు బ్యాంక్ డీటెయిల్స్. సో కంపల్సరీ, కెన్ యూ షేర్ యువర్ స్క్రీన్ వన్స్?
Yeah, okay sir.
You cannot use your account now. So guys, remember one thing, until unless you update your bank details, you cannot use your AWS account, even if it is created also. Sometimes what will happen, while giving a payment details, it won't take your payment details. Some maybe because of unauthorization, because of maybe only some cards it will support. I don't know exact card, you have to try with different cards. Okay, so example, something your payment failed, your maybe while adding your credit or debit card, it's failed. But still, if you refresh your page, you can log into your account, guys. Even though you haven't provided your payment details, you can log in, but you cannot launch your servers now. It won't show you. You cannot proceed further. Compulsory, you should go to payment methods. There you have an option to provide the payment method. Can you click on your DevOps, Nazruddin DevOps? Right hand side, top right hand corner. Yeah, here my billing dashboard. Because in the first step itself, account gets created, guys. Okay, so in the first step itself, you have to proceed with other steps also. Then only your account complete activation will be completed. Now here payment methods. So like, who was that? Ever adigindi question adi?
Sir,
always name yourself, guys. ఎప్పుడైనా క్వశ్చన్ అడిగినప్పుడు పేరు చెప్పండి. Who was that? Hello, can you please respond? ఇక్కడ మీ పేమెంట్ డీటెయిల్స్ అడుగుతుంది, ఇక్కడ కార్డ్ డీటెయిల్స్ యాడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు మీరు.
హలో సార్, దిస్ ఇస్ సాయి కృష్ణ సార్.
Yes, Sai Krishna. You have to add
Hello.
your payment detail. ఈ పేజ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి మీ కార్డ్ డీటెయిల్స్ యాడ్ చేయండి. తర్వాత వర్క్ ఇక్కడ కింద ఉన్నాయి చూడండి, యాడ్ కార్డ్, యాడ్ అన్ అకౌంట్. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఎనీ ఆప్షన్.
పేమెంట్ మెథడ్ లోకి వెళ్ళి యాడ్ చేయాలి సార్.
ఇక్కడ యాడ్ కార్డ్ లేదంటే యాడ్ అకౌంట్ ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది. అక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తేనే వన్స్ మీకు ఇలా వస్తేనే ఈ పేజ్ మీకు అకౌంట్ యాక్టివేట్ అవుతుంది, లేదంటే యాక్టివేట్ అవ్వదు. You cannot create your EC2 instance now until unless you add your credit card or debit card details. You cannot use your AWS account.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు ఈసీటీ మిషన్ మనం క్రియేట్ చేసిన తర్వాత అది క్లోజ్ చేయకపోతే మళ్ళీ సర్వర్ రన్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది.
Exactly, you're right. That is what I am going to show you now. Go to services. So guys, here as I told, we are getting only 750 hours of free services, free hours. So if you cross that, you will be charged. So maybe here Linux class, that is fine. But once you start DevOps and all, there are so many servers required. So make sure that every day after your practice session, after your class, click on it, running instant. You have to delete them, guys. Because nothing, brand new servers, nothing is there. Only you're practicing. Maybe tomorrow again launch one more server before the class. Right click. Instant state. Stop means shut down. Reboot means restart. Terminate means delete. Click on terminate. Daily one server only required, guys, as of now. Just example, I showed 2 servers. Yes, terminate. The other servers also. Guys, make sure that every day you join from laptop only tomorrow onwards. Every day one person will be the volunteer. And you should be ready with your Linux box. Today I showed that Linux box, right? How to log in. You should be ready with that Linux box, guys, so that directly we can jump on Linux class. Again, time wasted daily logging into server after the class. I mean, once you join the class, log into account, creating EC2 instance, login, 10 minutes time waste. Don't do that. Okay, before the class itself, your server should be ready. Your putty session should be ready. That putty open putty session now. This should be ready, guys, like this. I need every day one person should be ready like this. Okay, so that we can directly jump on. In tomorrow class, I will explain clearly what is Linux, why, what are the different distributions we have. Okay, which distributions we are using, we are going to use in our class. Okay, those things and all in tomorrow class. So any doubts till today, guys? Maybe like what is Linux box, how to what is AWS, how to launch, how to create account, how to launch server. Did you understand? Any doubts, guys?
Sir, can you explain me how to terminate it again? How to terminate the server again?
Simple. Just select the server, right click it, instant state and terminate. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And are you doing simultaneously?
No, sir.
Yeah.
I will do after when the class was completed.
Exactly, guys. Everybody, you should do after the class only, guys. Only you have to see the screen. Don't follow in the class. I mean, just watch and follow it, guys. Don't do the things simultaneously, because you may miss something. While doing in your screen, you may miss my screen. Okay, please don't do that. Anyway, you will get the recording after the class. So terminate the second one also. Right click, instant state, terminate. Terminate.
సార్ ఇంకొక డౌట్ ఇక్కడ స్టాప్ చేసినా కూడా ఆ 750 hours క్యాలిక్యులేట్ అవుతుందా సార్?
Yes, as I told, every service in behind again it will use other services. Now if you stop also, something in between, storage is there, network is there, key is there, it's utilizing those services. So but at least you can save some amount, not that much. Okay, for EC2 you are not charging, but again other services you will be charged even if you stop also. That's the reason we are shutting down, we are deleting them. Termination means delete, guys. Complete delete. Again, you have to launch one more second new server, guys. Okay, so every day before the class, launch the server, and after the class, delete the servers. Don't do this in real time, guys. In real time, we don't do that because those are real time servers. We should run them every time. It doesn't matter. Okay, every minute you should run it in real time. But here you can terminate them. You completely deleted them. Terminate means, guys. Again, you have to launch new server before tomorrow class. Okay. So this is how our class will be, guys. Any other doubts? And can you open that notepad?
Yeah, Amar, once we terminate the server, we cannot restart or we cannot do anything, right? It's like deleting completely.
That
Right?
server completely you deleted. All the data will be gone in that server.
Okay.
Yeah. So Nasruddin, can you open the notepad? And whoever joined newly today, or maybe whoever did not this one. So ping me on this number, guys. This is my WhatsApp number, the first one. Okay. You can ping me on this number. This is my WhatsApp number, so that I'll add you into my WhatsApp group. There you will get a class recordings, course content, and maybe once you enroll, you will get the access also. Okay, everything you will get there, guys. Yeah. Anything else, guys, you want to ask?
Yeah, Amar, from tomorrow onwards, session will be at 8:30 only, right? For a first one.
Yes, until Linux.
Yeah, okay, until then.
Okay.
Yeah, how long will that take? It will be 1 hour or 1.5 hours?
1 hour only, as of now. Minimum 1 hour will be there, guys. It can be 1.5 hours, something like that also. Depends, guys. Depends on topic.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, no? Yeah. Okay then, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll
Yeah.
meet again
Thank you,
tomorrow,
sir.
same time.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Bye.